Hello everyone. Bubbly V presents the letter O. In this video, you'll learn that the letter O has two vowel sounds. One is O and the other is Ah. Get ready for some fun! Woohoo! This is the uppercase letter O. This is the lowercase letter O. Say uppercase letter O. Good. Say lowercase letter O. Wonderful. Open the door to let the vowel O enter. Yes. The ostriches like to walk with Mom.
O, the letter O. The short vowel O says I as in olive. The long vowel O says O as in oval. I and O are the vowel sounds of the letter O.
Get ready for one of my favorite activities called Where Do I Belong? There are pictures in the center that belong either in the long O box that says O as in open or the short O box that says I as in ostrich. Okay, let's start with Olive. Does Olive belong in the O or the I box? The answer is ah. Let's look at box. Does box belong in O or I? The answer is ah. Let's look at nose. Does nose belong in the O box or the I box? The answer is the O box. Let's look at cone. Cone belongs in the O box. Very good. What about sock? Does sock belong in the O or the I box? The I box. Very good. What about oval? O or I? The answer is O. Wonderful. What about top? O or I? The answer is I. Wonderful. Let's look at bone. Does it belong in the O or the I box? The answer is O. Wonderful. Let's look at octopus. Does octopus belong in the O box or the I box? The answer is I. Wonderful. What about note? Does note belong in the O box or the I box? The answer is the O box. Wonderful. What about boat? Does it belong in the O box or the I box? The answer is the O box. Boys and girls, you did a fantastic job.
O, the letter O. The short vowel O says I as in olive. The long vowel O says O as in oval. I and O are the vowel sounds of the letter O.
Boys and girls, let's create sentences with the vowel sounds of O. I have a. I'm looking for a picture with the long O sound. Frog, rose. What do you think is the answer? The answer is rose. I have a rose. Very good. I have Now I'm looking for a picture that has the short O sound, as in ah. Dog, pole. Which picture has the ah sound? The answer is dog. I have a dog. I have a. Now I'm looking for a long O sound picture. Is it mom or is it boat? Which picture has the long O sound O? The answer is boat. I have a boat. Excellent, boys and girls.
O, the letter O. The short vowel O says ah as in olive. The long vowel O says O as in oval. Ah and O are the vowel sounds of the letter O.
To all of my viewers, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. There are more videos to come. Please take the time to subscribe to this channel and do it today. And remember, Bubbly V makes learning fun. Until next time, bye!